What's that guy's machine doing or not doing?
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Is it not working at all now? He's the one that I think broke his front differential earlier.
But I don't know what's wrong with it. It looks like they're taking the whole thing apart.
Well, Eric's good at that. We watched him do that one night in Moccasin Cap. I assume he showed you that video.
I've seen several.
Hey, that has more hits than any video I've got on YouTube. Is him disassembling that commander there on the side of that deal with my brother's goofy commentary.
Yeah, I can see that happening.